Hello, welcome back for Pro Tools Studio Advanced Automation Features Part 3. This is a series of some really cool new and very powerful automation features that were previously only available in Pro Tools Ultimate, but now are available in newly named Pro Tools Studio, formerly known as Pro Tools or Pro Tools Standard. This automation feature is called Convert Volume Automation to Clip Gain, or Convert Clip Gain to Volume Automation. So Clip Gain is a powerful tool that's been in all versions of Pro Tools for quite some time. And if you're not familiar with that, please check out my couple of Clip Gain videos that I have here on my channel that will show you exactly how to use it. But in a nutshell, you have the ability to change the gain on a per clip basis. I'm showing static clip gain while I'm changing the gain of this entire clip equally across the duration of the clip. But I do have the ability to change clip gain within a clip by going to View menu, Clip, and Clip Gain Line. I want to see the clip gain line. You'll see that vertical or a horizontal line throughout the middle of the clip now, and I can make a selection within there, and I can trim that gain up for the selected area, or I can add breakpoints, and I can do whatever I want with those in terms of bringing the gain up or down. This is really super powerful. Another feature, of course, is volume automation, which has been around for a long time in Pro Tools. I'm going to show right below this track in the playlist, the alternate playlist, the volume automation playlist. So clip gain is at the clip level. It's pre-faders. Volume is track at the track level is after all of your inserts or post fader. So two very different uses of them, but it's really handy to write all automation with a fader. If you've got a control surface and a physical fader, it's very easy, very musical to write automation over time using that fader. And I'm going to do that right here. I'm going to put the track in touch mode. And I'll start playback right here, and I'm writing volume automation at the track level. Very easy to do. A lot of people prefer this because it can be much more of a musical volume control of the track, right? But sometimes it's handy to use these moves and maybe convert them to clip gain. So I can easily do that now, not only in Pro Tools Ultimate, where it was previously only found, but I can do it in Pro Tools Standard as well. So I've got the volume automation down here, or I can look at it right here on the same track. There's the same thing. I'll go back to waveform view. The waveform is showing also the clip gain volume automation, clip gain automation. But I want to convert this volume automation to clip gain. So I'll select the volume automation, edit menu, automation, convert volume to clip. And there it is. I've transposed what was previously volume automation, turned it into clip gain. Very handy feature. And I can do it backwards as well. So if I want to convert clip gain, let me change this a little bit. I'm going to change the clip gain on a couple of these clips here. And we'll make a selection across it. And we'll go edit, automation, convert clip to volume. And you'll notice when I do that automation is converted to the other side, and where I took it from, in this case, the clip gain has all been zeroed out back to zero again, so I can adjust that more if I want to. Very cool feature. Stand by for more advanced automation features coming soon.